Hey all, this is Ben from LatinTutorial, and I wanted to post a short video to say hi, salvete, and welcome to the 2018-2019 school year. I'll be releasing videos soon. Usually my videos release on Monday morning, and I've got a bunch planned for the near future, so stay tuned. I know I haven't posted a lot recently, but that's not because I haven't been doing work. Usually if I'm not posting videos, I'm working on one of my side projects. So 2 years ago, I spent about half a year creating and testing my site at Aeneid.co, designed to help people read Virgil's Aeneid. And last year I created 70 videos or more of content, so more than 12 hours worth for that site. I'll have an upcoming video that looks back at what I've done and what I'll be doing there. And this year, for the past several months, I've been rewriting from scratch my site at Hexameter.co, which I think is one of the best and most fun ways to learn and practice your mastery of ancient poetic meter. It's better than it sounds, and I'll be posting a video soon that goes over the changes I've made there. For this upcoming year, though, I'm going to focus a bit more on videos on this channel, LatinTutorial. I've got a few new series in mind that hopefully I'll get to soon, and I'll be posting some samples of what I have over at Aeneid.co also. That doesn't mean I don't have some projects in mind that I'm working on, but I want to make sure that I spend some time adding to the already huge library of videos here. Right now, not including this one, I've got 140 or more videos and over 20 hours worth of content on YouTube. Let's see how much I can add to that. Oh, and I'll be experimenting with some merchandise, which you can see below the video. Support LatinTutorial by buying some hopefully tasteful shirts, stickers, or coffee mugs. Thanks for that. This is a good time to remind you that I've got all of my videos searchable over at LatinTutorial.com, and I've got 2 additional sites at Hexameter.co and Aeneid.co. My goal is to make learning Latin and classics in general more easy through digital tools, whether it's with video or interactive sites. So stay tuned.